is going on, everybody? I guess today I will give my review on the 2015 Suzuki GSXR 600. So my gas light's going off, it's blinking. I should probably go get some gas. I'll do that eventually. So right now I'm a little under 3,450 miles on this thing, which means I've put about close to 500-ish, give or take. So not a ton on here, and a lot of that's because, you know, I was gone for a month and didn't get to ride, sad face, right after I bought this beautiful thing. But it's all good because it's summertime and I'm back now and I'm gonna ride and I'm gonna do stuff. So my initial thoughts on this thing, it's a lot of fun. It really is. It is more fun than like my Kawasaki Z650 was. Of course, there's just something about being on two wheels, man. It's hard to be sad or angry when you're on two wheels. It's just so much fun. But this is a different machine. This is a whole different experience. Hello, gas station. Goodbye, gas station. This is a little more difficult to ride than like the Z650. It's definitely a more aggressive seating position. I'm not gonna say it's harder to control. It can definitely do what you want it to do, but I don't know, it feels like it takes more skill, I guess. But with that more skill comes, you know, a much more capable bike. I'll also add that it's actually pretty comfortable. Like, other than the fact that I'm hunched over for a long period of time, like, if it weren't for that, I could ride this thing just as easy as the Z650 I had. I really don't have any complaints on that at all. The seat feels real nice. And it is a beautiful day now that the random rain has stopped, man. Like, yesterday was the first day that it didn't rain since I got back. Like, there were days where it was like this outside, and 30 minutes later it would be pouring rain. Those scattered showers were insane. But I digress. Back to the bike. I love the speed on this thing. Like, it's just so easy to go fast. You just barely twist the throttle and like you're just gone. Like, I barely move my hand there. It just takes off like it's nothing, and I don't know, it's great. It is definitely more fun in the upper RPM ranges than my Kawasaki was. And this guy's going kind of slow, but whatever. Also, the mirrors. I know a lot of people really don't like sport bike mirrors, and like, I mean, I get it, they don't look great, but compared to a lot of other bikes, I think they work really well. I mean, I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I'm not really much of like a super picky person when it comes to mirrors, though. I just want to be able to see and want them to not look terribly ugly, I guess. And these I don't think look that bad. A lot of people are always like, remove the mirrors, but like, I don't know, they look fine to me. And I don't know, I also kind of don't want to get a ticket for not having mirrors, so there's that. It still gets really good gas mileage, not as good as my Z650 did, but it's still much better than my car. It is awesome to fill up a tank with like a few gallons and then just ride for forever. It's really nice, especially now the gas prices are like $27 a gallon. The only issue I've had with this bike is an issue that I did read about before I got it, and that was like when it was really hot outside and I had been riding for a while. For some reason it didn't want to shift into first gear. At a light though, I shut it off, turned it back on, and like it went into first no problem. I don't know what that was about, but whatever. I did read about that other people had the same issue. I don't know what it was. Just when the bike got really hot, it didn't really want to go into first, but whatever. I'm gonna head and get some gas at this racetrack up the street. There's actually a closer racetrack, but I like this one for some reason. I don't know. Like a habit, I guess. Their license plate says teach it. Teach it. University of Oklahoma alumni. Teach it. I'm almost at this gas station, so I don't know. I don't know what else I have to say. I totally did this on the spot. I know all your favorite moto vloggers are like doing real well and planning stuff out, and then there's me just doing everything on the spot because I don't know what I'm doing. Kind of like this guy. Boop. I just got gas and I'm good to go now for like another 200 miles, 150 miles. I don't know what it is. I should probably figure that out though, or at least Google it. Google knows everything. Was it worth upgrading to a sport bike over my naked Z650? To me, yes, definitely. This is more my style. This is what I wanted from the beginning. This is just, I don't know, this is me. It feels right. Oh man, what is going on here? There's like almost like a wreck right now because these people can't drive. Anyway, yeah, this is definitely more my style. Like, I don't know, if I just wanted like a little cruise around bike and I never really left much of my hometown and needed good gas mileage and it really was just a transport more than like a fun recreational vehicle, then yeah, I totally understand wanting like the naked bike or something similar, like a standard. But this is just me. This is what I wanted. And if you really want a sport bike and you've sat on one and you understand it, you like it, you know what you're getting into, then I for sure would recommend a Sporto Biko. And it's getting hot. I'm sitting in traffic, and I think my core temperature is increasing to 312 degrees. Also, pretty soon, I'm gonna let you guys know how it is to ride with a passenger. That'll be my first time. Definitely gonna start in a parking lot and take it slow, because I'm not stupid. And alright, what lane are you getting into, guy? Alright, whatever. Stupid people, man. Come on, learn how to drive. And there's Freedom Power Sports where I got this thing. Would I suggest starting on a 600? I mean, I don't know. If you're really responsible, yeah. Like, I could have started on this had I really wanted to. But to be honest, I'm kind of glad I didn't. This does require a little more skill to handle, and I'm glad I started off on something different. I'm not going to say that something was going to go wrong, but I don't know. Having this as a starter bike may not have been the best idea. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my video today, guys. I just wanted to do like a quick little overview of this nice little 2015 GSXR 600 and give you my little 2 cents on it. I don't have a huge in-depth review, but if you guys have questions, for sure ask, and I will for sure maybe answer if I feel like it. Look at this here fire truck. It's so nice. I kind of want to touch it, but I'm not going to, because that would be disrespectful and such. Anyway, hope you guys like this quick little video, and be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, even though there's probably nobody who made it to the end of this video to this point, but you know, it happens. But anyway, guys, take care, and I will see you guys around. If it don't rhyme with America, I don't even care.